Hello, everyone. This is our last or second to last weekly update of review of week 8 and a preview of your last full week of virtual learning. So this week, due today by midnight, are the two assignments that are for Ancient Rome, 526, which was Tuesday, through 529, which is today. So please make sure that for this week, you have read Chapter 11, Section 1, and Chapter 11, Section 2, and have done the assessment questions for both. Please make sure you mark your work as done and turn it in and mark as done so that I know to grade it. I know the weather was really, really nice this week, so hopefully you're all getting it done today so that we stay on track for next week. Speaking of next week, our last full week of virtual learning and our first full week in June, starting on Monday, June 1st. We're going to be reading Chapter 11, Section 3, which is the fall of the empire or the end of the Roman Empire. And then on Tuesday, if you could please do the questions that are associated with the Chapter 11, Section 3. So again, the reading of the textbook is attached here, both in color and in black and white. In two different sections is me reading the textbook and telling you about the answers as we go. You can also access things from the new and improved Google site about Rome. So please make sure you just write your answers right in the doc and then hit marked as done when you are done. So Monday and Tuesday, you should be focusing on section 3 and reviewing the information from sections 1 and 2. And then on Wednesday, you should finish your Rome final project. So you have your Rome project, you had to pick one. You have 8 different choices to choose from, everything from looking at Roman leaders or looking at what happened in Pompeii with Mount Vesuvius, reviewing what happened during the Punic Wars, comparing ancient Greece to ancient Rome, looking at how Romans built things, either their roads or their buildings or their art. There is a video that goes over the directions for each one. You just, again, pick one, and then you will have to create your own document and upload it to Google Classroom, or take your own photograph and upload your photograph to Google Classroom so I can see your work. One person already has it done in first hour, so thank you very much. As soon as you have it done, you can turn it in. Then the very last thing you're going to do for this unit is take the Rome Chapter 11 test. It is a Google form again. It is the easiest and most efficient way to try to have you assess your knowledge and what you know about Rome. So it does cover the information from sections 1, 2, and 3 of Chapter 11. Please watch the review videos before you take the test. And you should have this all done by Thursday or Friday of next week. And then you'll have a real good idea of what your final grade in for social study is, or your final grade for social studies is. If you have any work that you did not do from the previous weeks of either ancient Rome or ancient Greece, so going all the way back to the assignments that were due on April 4th through the 17th, if any of these assignments are not done, you can still do them. Mark them as turned in so that I know I'll find that work once it's turned in, and then I can assess it and see how well you did at the learning requirements and change your grade in Infinite Campus. Right? So all work is due by midnight on June 5th. So please make sure that you stay on track of things. Don't get behind now. We're in the home stretch. We got 2 weeks left. So again, this week you have Chapter 11, Sections 1 and 2. Read the sections or listen to the videos and fill out the questions. Next week, we have Chapter 11, Section 3, the unit test on Chapter 11, and your final Rome project. If you have any questions at all, please contact me so that I can help you. Don't sit and be stuck for 3 days. Reach out, let me know, and we'll help you. I'll help you, and we'll figure it out together. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Get all your stuff in and let me know if I can help. Have a great day.